My name is James Yates. I've been working here at RiverSide for about 9 months now. Being a process tech, the hardest part is just the influx of information, but got some great senior process techs that I can go to for support in terms of operating some of the different systems that I'm not super familiar with. It's a bit of a new experience, different setting than what I'm accustomed to, but I think it's been a worthwhile transition. Great bunch of folks. The responsibilities I have during the day vary. Right now, my main objective is to be properly trained in on the back end of the building, as we call it, where you have your wave machines, you have your SmartFlow, your VersaFlow, your Nordson, things of that nature. The hope is that that will be my area of responsibility once I'm up to speed. I like the challenge. It gets a bit daunting, but I like the challenge. From my observations in terms of moving up in RiverSide, it's a relatively simple process. The beauty of it is that they keep you aware of positions that are available in the different areas, either in this building or in Winona. And basically their policy is if you are interested in the position, go for it. They want you to be multi-talented. They want you to be able to step into another guy's and handle another situation or another system. And I think overall, for a company perspective, it's beneficial to have people that can do multiple things.